We have here the measures of location. So, 4, 18, 22. Kita rin ninyo ni class. Okay, there are still coming. Okay, so we have here the measures of location. We have the percentile. Percentile. Sorry, these are values that divide a set of observation into 100 equal parts. So, kani siya. So, hindi siya class. So, we have here. So, these values denoted by P sub 1, P sub 2, P sub 3, to P sub 99. So we have here the 1% of the data fall below P1. We have the 2% fall below P sub 2. And 99% fall below P99. So we have here the formula. We have two sets of data. We use the formula for ungrouped data. Okay, ungrouped data, and we have also for the group data. So so we have here class. So for group data, ungroup, sorry. Ang atong formula ani is P sub n is simply equal to n over to 100 times, okay. We have here, n is the example, if we have the 10th percentile. The 10th percentile, it is the number of percentile, ang n nga gamay. So ang dako nga n, that is the number of data or observation, no? Taken either from sample or from population. So n is the n percentile, but here ang atuang n, instead of n kung percentile, pwede po na siya p, no? P, or that the acronym for percentile, no? For percentile. Sorry. the 5th percentile 4. So, ayun ka. So, divide N or P by 100 and multiply the quotient by the number of elements in the sample. So, we have here example class. We have here set array of data taken from, so later on we're going to have that one. So another for the group data, ang formula na to, P sub n is simply equal to L sub P or L sub n, sorry. Mo marang anad mong gutaning n. Pwede man ni siya P over 100 n plus 1. N or P. For percentile, no? We have also decile and quartile. So gani siya kay n may gigamit. So n over 100 times the number of observation minus the cumulative frequency less than over the f sub p times the class size. So kani ato ang L sub n or pwede nato ni siya himon L sub p class. L sub n or L sub p. This is the exact lower limit. Exact lower limit, exact lower boundary limit. Or percentile class. Okay, we have CF, that is the cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency. Of the immediately preceding class. F sub P, this is the frequency of the percentile class. And we have I is the class size. Okay. So L sub P, or we have here n over 100 times n minus the cumulative frequency f sub p times I. This is from group data class. So our example last time, so katong atong table last time, since our class interval consists of 7, katong ato ang kuan atong lantawon to ha.
Nada backset, ma'am.
Ha?
Nada
Isa dong?
backset.
Na yung backset. Okay, wait. Okay. Last time, atong i-discuss. Okay, wait. Karon man ni. Ito atong i-discuss last. Sa ba to? Friday ba to? Dili ni mao. Okay. Naman tay table last time, no? Nga ang ato ang uh, plus interval 7. So, kung mao ni siya ang ato ang gamon dito, we have the tally, the frequency. Okay, we have the class mark, the real limits. Okay. Kani siya ang ato ang kuan. Uh, so, ma-check na to ni siya dito. Okay, I will construct na lang, no? We'll construct na lang dili again. So that we can also apply here in our formula, no? So you have the table of frequency distribution. So last time class, naa naman tay range. So ato ala nang ato ana i-repeat ang atong class size. 118, 126, 127, 135, 136, 144, okay, 145, 153, na may lista ani. 154, 162, 163, 171, 172, 180. Ay, sorry. So, we have here the tally, no? So, dili na lang ta sa frequency. So, you have 3, 5, 9, 12, 5, 4, 2. So, the summation of F is 40. We have also X here. The midpoint or class mark 131, 140, 149, 158, 167, 176. And the product of the frequency and the class mark 366, 655, 1260, 788, 790. The summation of fx is 5,879. The deviation is based sa atong frequency. Okay, we have 0 here, negative 1, negative 2, 1, 2, 3. That is for the deviation. The frequency times the deviations. So, negative 9, negative 10, negative 9, 0, 5, 8, 6. We have also here the cumulative frequency. Since we are arranged the data in ascending order, so starting from the smallest, 3, 8, 17, 29, 34, 38, 40. And for the real limits, we have here that is 117.5, which is subtract 118 by 0.5, add also 126.5 here on the right. So 126.5, 135.5, 135.5, 144, 144.5, 153.5, 153.5, 162.5. Okay. So here for the percentile class, okay, for and group. So example, no, iko find the 10th percentile. Okay, the 10th percentile. So therefore, kaning using ungroup data, so may kag P sub n, itong formula, no? N over 100. Ay, sorry. So you have n plus 1. So the 10th percentile is P sub 10 is equal to 10 over 100. Okay. Times. Okay. 40 man ang atuang, no? Atong data, 40 man to kabuok na when we arrange it, array of data. 40 plus 1. So that is, if you're going to calculate, the result is 4.1 term. So if we're going to go back to the one that we have last time, no? Saan na to? Dito class. Kani. Ang 128, after we arrange the data in ascending order, ang 128 term, 4.1 term, that is, ikapila man na, 1, 2, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 man ni siya. So, ma-round off man na ito ng 4 term. So, 128. Muna siyang 128 ang ato equivalent sa 10th percentile. Kuha mo, class? Okay. So, na siya dito na belong sa ato ang 118, 120, 124, 128. This is the 4th percentile. No? 128. So, therefore, the 10th percentile is 128. For group data, this is the ungroup. Data formula. So, for group data, so P sub n is equal to L sub P plus n over 100 times n minus the cumulative frequency times I over F sub P. So, kuwaon sa nato ang ato ang 10 percentile. Locator nato ni siya. Locator ni siya, class. Locator. So, ang locator ko, P sub 10. Okay. So, we have here 10 over 100 times n. Muna itong locator. So, we got 10 over 100 times 40. That, so, P sub 10 is simply equal to kani ang ato ang kuan F sub P, L sub P, this is the exact lower limit, boundary ha, boundary man nato ni, lower limit, the exact lower boundary limit of the percentile class. So, ang ato ang exact lower limit of the percentile, exact lower limit or lower boundary limit of the percentile class. Since 4 man ang ato ang locator, okay, 4, So that is in between sa atong cumulative frequency in between sa 3 ug 8. Diri na siya class. Okay, sa atong cumulative frequency since we has arranged it in ascending order. So dinhi natulang tawon sa ato ang cumulative frequency. Since ang atong locator is 4, so kaning 126.5, okay, this belongs to kani. So naman siya diri sa in between. Okay, since we arrange the data in ascending order, so ang 4 between 3 ug 8 naa siya diri sa 126 for the lower boundary limit. Sa real limits man ta mo lantaw ani. 126. What if ang ato ang locator is 10? So naa na po siya sa 8 to 17. So mao na po ni siya ang ato ang L sub P. Okay, L sub P. So here ang ato ang ang ato ang L sub P is 126.5 because our locator 4 is in between 3 to 8. 3 to 8. So, exact lower boundary limit of the percentile class L sub P is located at 8. That is higher man siya. So, minimum of 3 and maximum of 8. So, ang iyahang, it belongs to the highest value, okay, above 3. So, 8. So, diri siya na-locate sa 8. Nabilong siya sa 8. And then, ang atong frequency of the percentile, so, kung asa na bilong ang ato ang kaning 8. Okay, since ang atong L sub B is belong to the, diri man siya ni fall sa 8, ang ato apod F sub B, okay, diri ka mo lantaw na ara siya diri, no? 5. Mo ni atong frequency of the percentile. So, asa na-locate nimo ang locator, okay, which is higher than 3. So, diri siya sa 8. And this is our L sub P. And then, going back, okay, atong i-point ang atong F sub P, mo ni siya atong F sub P. No? That is the frequency of the percentile where our L sub P is located also. So, balik tayo sa frequency, mani siya ito F sub P. So, L sub P na to 126.5 plus, base atong locator. Ang N na to 10, 10, okay. Therefore, na ni siya, locator man ni nato. Okay. Kaning cumulative frequency less than, okay. Kay less than man siya, okay, less than. So, number nga below sa 8, which is 3. Mo ni siya ato ang cumulative frequency less than, which is less than 8. So, minus 3, okay, over 5. 5 man ang ato ang F sub P. Okay. Times ang atong class size nga, 9. 9 man, no? 9. Atong class size. So, class size is 9. So, if you are going to add, divide, the result is 128.3, or we can round off this one to 128. So, maumaura sila ani, the group and the ungroup. How about P sub, okay. Find the 20th percentile. Okay, 20th. So, P sub N, okay, P sub 20. Okay, is simply equal to 20 over 100. Then 40 plus 1. So, imo siya 8.2. Okay. So, ang 8.2 nato class, going back to our cumulative array of data. That is the 8. So, 129, 129, then 130, 130, dayon. Okay. Muna ito ang 4th percentile, no? 133. So, muna ito ang 8. Kani. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Muna siya ang atong 8 percentile. So, moron of mo siya 8. So, this is belongs to 133. 133. So, mo gamit atong ungroup man eh. Sa group data, so P sub 20, okay. Locator. Ang locator, sa yun ramaning locator, kay mo ra kuhaon ang ato ang plus 1. 20 over 100 times 40 ra ka. So, mura siya 8 to. 8 ra siya. So, diri na punta mo balik sa ato ang table, no? 8 man siya. So, nabilong man siya sa 8 ang yang locator. Okay. So, ang 8, okay, wala siya ni fall sa 126. But ang cumulative frequency nga greater than 8 is 17. That is 135.5. 135.5. That is above. Okay. So, kanang dako ana. So, and then, dako ana, okay, and then, mo ni siya L sub P na pod. L sub P sa imuhang 20th percentile. Then, diri sa cumulative frequency mo ni siya M sub P 20, no? 10 man na siya. So, the a number which is bigger than 8 based atong locator is 17. 17. And what is the limits? The exact lower boundary limits belonging to 17. Lower limit man siya upper maning usa upper kani lower. So therefore, ang atong L sub P is 135.5. Okay, plus ang atong locator is 8 minus, okay, cumulative frequency. Okay, 8. 8 ang atong cumulative frequency. So, we have now, okay, along with our exact lower boundary limit is 9. Okay, morning 9. 9 times the class size. So, ma-zero man siya class. So, mabilin is 135.5. 135. Okay. Ma'am, dili lagi siya pariho. 133 then 135 lagi ni siya, ma'am. Okay ha. If you're going to check, no, what if, okay, ang 8, 1 to 6. So, kung man 1 to 6, dili gihapon. Kaya ang result, kani man siya ang result. Kung katong, sorry, ang locator niya is 8, no? 8. So, 1 to 6.5. And then, okay, I have to check ha. What if kuno ma'am, para mo pariho i-try. So, i-try na to. Where's my calculator? So, if you have your calculator, you can do it. So kay kung 8 siya, 1 to 6.5 yung L sub P. Plus, locator niya is 8 minus Ang iyahan na pong gamay is 3. So, example ha. 3 over belonging to 8 is frequency niya is 5. Example. Okay, 9. So, pila yung result ani? Kindly multiply. If you have your cell phone, try to calculate it down. What will be the result? Kasunod mo, class. So we have here 5 over 5 times 9. So 126 plus 9, 135.5, no? Pareho ra gyud. Pila man? 1 man eh. So 135.5 ra gyud po, no? Say, check ko, no? The same rasa. Kakuha mo, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Pareho ra. So, good siya difference sa iyahang group and group data formula. So, let's proceed na example. P sub 30. Okay. Kani siya magkataas ni siya o hotdon yun nimo P sub 1 up to P sub 99. So, by 10 rata, P sub 30 and group. So, we have now 30 over 100. We have 40 plus 1. So, you have now pila ni? Try ninyo goon. 130, 12.3. 12.3. So, asa itong 12.3? 10. 137. 138. 138. 139. So, 12, 140 naman eh. So, 139. So, that is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So, muna siya ito ang P sub 30. P sub 30. So, 139. Okay. So, ang locator na ito for group data. So, first, ang locator. So, that is 30 over 100 times 40. That is 12, no? So, dito balik. So, P sub 30 for group data. L sub P. So, going back here, 12 man. So, based sa ato ang kuan din, hinaragyapon siya sa 8 to 17. So, 135.5 ragi hapon siya, class. 135.5 plus 12 atong locator. Okay, belonging to 17, ang atong FP is 9. 9. Okay. But ang ato ang cumulative frequency 8, no? Muna itong cumulative frequency 8 plus than times 9. So, we have here 139.5. 139. Pareho sila. 139. Round off na natin yung 139. Kanirang sa P sub 20, kina siya difference ganyan mo differ gano'n group and group. So that's for percentile. And so nagoy difference. Kanira pod siya o kaning piece of 40. Piece of 40 na po difference. Let's proceed now to by 10 mani ato atong hot doon para at least piece of 40 kun piece of 40. So kag 40 over 100 and group data ni siya. So we have now 16.4 term. Or based ato ang table, we have 140, 142, 142, 142, pila ni? 16. So that is 142 plus. Ika-16th percentile. So, sa ato ang group data. So, ato ang L sub P, ang locator nato is 16. No? Locator. So, 40 over 100 times 40 naman ka. So, 16. So, going back sa atong table, mura gihapon, 135 ra gihapon. F sub P 9. So, that is 135.5. 16 minus 8 ra gihapon to. Over 9 times 9. So, 143. Okay, na siya difference ng 1, no? Okay. How about P sub 50? So, and group data. So, 50 over 100 times 40 plus 1. So, nag-1 siya og 20.5. So, ang 20.5 nato, 143, 146, 147, 147, 16, 147, no? 147. So, kani siya, 147. Sa ato ang group data. Okay. So, locator. 20. Okay. Locator na to 20, no? Okay. Pakapin naman ng 0.5. 20. So, going back here, ang atong locator is 20. So, that is greater than 17 to 29. So, 177. 144. This is 144.5. No? Okay, pareho na siya. 144.5. So, that is between 17 to 29. That's belong to 29. And the F sub P nato is 12. 17 is the cumulative frequency less than. So, 29, 12, 144.5. Okay. And we have 20 minus 17 cumulative frequency. Dayon 12 ang ato ang F sub P. That is times the class size of 9. So, therefore, 146.75. Round off na ito na 147. So, pareho sila diri. Okay, equal sila, no? How about P sub 60? P sub 60 class. So, 60 over 100 times 40 plus 1. So, we have 24.6 term. And that's belong, okay, 24, 20 naman ni ato 147, 148, 148, 149, 149. Okay, ako sa iris one. So I want you to rewrite this one. uh, 149. 20, 24. So we have now 24.6. 24.6. That is round off na siya 25, no? Kani. So, dirita mo lang tao. 4, 8, 16, 24. So, 29, 149, 150 na siya class. Sunod, 150. So, ang 150, kani siyang 25. This belongs to 150, no? 150 dito ang ato ang ika-number 100, number 25, 150. So, for group data, ang atong P sub 60, okay. Ang ato ang locator is 24. Locator. 24, no? So, we have pila man ni ang ato ang kuan. If you're going to divide, 24 ba? Okay, 24. And then, belonging to 24 class, going back to the table. Okay, ang 24 is in between siya sa 17 and 29. So, pareho ra gihapon. No? Pareho ra gihapon. 144.5 ra gihapon na ito gamiton. Okay, ang atong locator is 24 minus the same ra gihapon diri sa P sub 50, 17 over 12 ang atong F sub P times 9. Ang lahi ra ang atong locator. So you have now 149.75. So ma-round off na to ni siya 150. Pareho sila. Okay, para P subs, 70. P sub 70 for ungroup data. So 70 over 100, 40 plus 1. So aboto na to ni P sub 90 plus. What will be the result? So kani siya, if you're going to calculate, this is 28.7 term. So, ang 28 na to, okay, 24, 150, 151, 152. So, 24, 28 na to. 28, 152. This is, pero ma-round off man nato ni siya class og 29. Okay, 29. So, ang 29 na to, diri na ta. 152 man ni siya. 150 to 153 man aka 29. So, 3, 5, 28, 29. Muna ika 29. No? Term. So, ika 29 is 153. 153. So, locator. So, group data. P sub 70. Locator nato is 28. So, locator nato is 28. Okay. Okay, going back sa table. 28, that's between 17 to 29 gihapon. Pareho ra gihapon class. So, 144 ra gihapon ni. Ang ato ara kay locator nato 28 minus 17 ra gihapon over 12 times 9. So, 152.75 ni siya class. Or 153. The same sila. Equal. So, about P sub 80 and group data. So, 80 over 100 times 40 plus 1. So, kani siya 32.8 percentile term, sorry. So, around if ni mo ni siya 32, 33, no? How about 33? Atong nagtawan ng 33 ni. Going back, so kinahanglan ko ng table. Ato ni isdugon diri ang P-sub 10 ato. Ato na lang ni Erison. So, sa percentile pa niha, wa patay decile. 153, 156, 158, 159. So, 29, 30, 31, 32. 33 is 161. 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. So, kung imo siya i-round off og 33, kani siya, 33 term, mahimo siyang 161, no? 161. Pero og 132 ra siya, 32 ra siya, 159 ra siya. 159, pero try to see. So, locator sa ta for group data. So, we have now locator nato is 32. Kaya ang locator nato diri sa ungroup data, our group data is 32. So, what is our P-sub 80? So, kung ma-32, okay, going back sa table class, ang 32 that is in between 29 to 34. So, 153.5 ang ato ang L sub P. 153.5. So, 153.5 plus locator na to 32. Okay. F sub P na to din along with our L sub P is 5. Kani, 5. So, 5. 5. And then, ang ato ang number below 29. So, 29 ni siya. 29 ni class. So, kinahanglan. Screenshot ninyo ni. Times 9. So, ang iyang result is 158.9 or approximately 159. Okay. 159 daw kayo. Pero, ug ato siyang i-round off din sa ungroup og 32. 159 iyahang kuan mo. Pareho sila dire sa ato ang group data. Ang 32 rani pero kay 0.8 man siya. So, ma-round off siya mo 33. So, 161. So, daw kay 5962. 2 ang difference, no? Last 2. We have P-sub 90. Okay. We have 90 over 100 times 40 plus 1. So we have now 36.9 term. Okay. And 36 na to, going back to the array of data. 161, 162, 161, sorry. Kinahanglan na agad mo ikuan ani. Di man ni maigo sa usa ka notebook. So, isulat niyo sa index card para na-compare ninyo. So, 29, 30, 31, 32. Pila to? That is 36. Okay, round off na to ni siya og 1/3. 36. 37th term. 37th term, no? So, ang 37th term, okay, diri naman ta. 37, 29, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 168. 168. Pero, okay. Anong 1? P-sub 90 naman ta. So, that is 168 ni siya. 168 ni class. 168. 168. So, ang 37th term belongs to 168. Okay, 168. So, for group data, Ang atong locator is 36, no? So, P sub 90 belonging to 36 atong table. 36, that is...
Ma'am, excuse me,
Yes.
ma'am.
Oh, hala ka, 9 naman di ay ni. Klase
Sorry
mo.
to disturb, ma'am. Ma'am, klase mig dynamics, ma'am, 9
Ah,
a.m.
sige. Ah, sige, sorry. Wala ko kabantay class. So, we'll continue this one next meeting. Ako na lamang ni ikuan. Sa, naman yung klase di ay. Wait for a while. Basta yung iba ni kuan na. Kuan na lang. Okay ha. Akain, si present na lang ha if you're called Adong.
Adong present, ma'am.
Kain, wala.
10%, ma'am.
Okay, Amano, Amorin.
Amano present, ma'am.
Amorin
Yes,
present, ma'am.
And Phony.